over 1.5 billion smartphones were sold worldwide. That's a staggering number. But here's the big question. Is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth its hefty price tag? Let's dive into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This beast comes packed with some seriously impressive features, like a stunning camera, lightning-fast performance, and a sleek design. But with a price tag that can make anyone gulp, we need to figure out if it's really worth your hard-earned cash. So let's get real for a second. Every year, high-end smartphones seem to get pricier and pricier. It's like they're competing to see who can charge the most. A lot of us are left scratching our heads, wondering if these pricey gadgets actually give us value for our money. Are we really getting that much more for our investment? Or are we just paying for the brand name? I mean, there are so many options out there, and it can be overwhelming. So, let's break it down and see if the iPhone 16 Pro Max truly lives up to the hype, or if it's just another overpriced gadget. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max tick. First off, the camera quality is out of this world. With a 48-megapixel main sensor, you can capture stunning images even in low light. And let's not forget about the cinematic mode for those epic video shots. Next up is battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts up to 29 hours of talk time. That's a full day of usage without reaching for your charger. And how about the software performance? The A17 chip is super fast, making everything from gaming to multitasking a breeze. Plus, with the latest iOS updates, you're getting new features and security enhancements regularly. When we compare it to previous models like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the improvements are clear, but the price jump raises eyebrows. Are these upgrades enough to justify the cost? Alright, here comes the big reveal. After diving into all the features, I've got to say, the iPhone 16 Pro Max does bring some serious value to the table. If you're someone who values photography, gaming, or simply wants the latest tech, you might find that the investment pays off. But for the average user who just needs a phone for calls and social media, it might be hard to justify spending so much. So, while it's a fantastic device, it really depends on what you're looking for in a smartphone. To wrap things up, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers an impressive array of features that cater to tech enthusiasts and power users. But with that premium price tag, it's essential to weigh your options and consider what you actually need. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, it might just be worth it. But if you're more of a casual user, you might want to explore other options that won't break the bank. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth the splurge? Or do you think Apple is just pulling our leg with the pricing?